So Aman, I do understand that Bhurji Supertek provides and creates a lot of water heaters for its customers on an ongoing basis, and several services under it. So talk about your proficiency in water heaters.
Like we've been catering to many of leading Indian brands, like to start with Bajaj, Havells, Polycab, RR Cable, Jaguar. So we've been developing tools for all these brands, right? Both for the instant water heater category, which starts at 1 liter, so that is 1 liter and 3 liters, and also for the storage water heaters, starting from 10 liters, 15 liters, and goes up to 35 liters.
All right, and so very interesting to know that. And under this, what are the kind of services do you really give it to them for building these kind of water heaters?
We start from the design phase, right? We offer them design, and post that we offer them concepts. So whatever they choose, right? We also provide them with prototypes or mock-ups, you can say, for their validation before we move on to the manufacturing phase.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which is the making of the dies and molds?
Which is making of the dies and molds.
And once the dies and molds are created, you've given them a kind of a prototype around it. What is the kind of proficiency you have in terms of injection molding? How do you do that?
So we have now, since we have injection molding in-house, right? So we can offer, we also offer molding services to our clients if they need, right? So like we are presently doing injection moldings for brands like Jaguar, Havells, RR Cable, to name a few, right? So this is entirely up to the client. Either we make the mold and post the trials and validation, either we hand over the tools, or if they want, we provide them with the molded parts as well.
All right. And have you ever been engaged in creating a full water heater as an OEM as well?
Well, yes, in the past, we've done this, like we've done complete water heaters, like both for instant and storage. We've done that in the past, but presently our focus is into designing and tooling.
All right. Needless to say that you should be able to do multiple kinds of moldings at any point of time in your facility?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. This is the advantage that we extend to our clients, right? So we have capacities to offer them injection molded parts.
And from a smaller part to a very large water heater?
Oh yes, anything starting from a small instant water heater, which is 1 liter, and it can go up to 50 liters, which we are presently doing.
So, Aman, now that you've spoken about your range of water heaters and the kind of water heaters you do, please do tell us about your capacities. What is your capacity if you have to build up, or a client demands you to scale up?
So presently, we are doing anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 sets. So this, I'm talking about the injection molding parts, right? So we have the capacity of doing about 1,500 sets in a day. Yeah.
Wonderful. And tell me about this particular water heater. Whom did you made it for? Anything special about it?
So this one is this is a storage water heater model, which we recently made for this. This was made for Jaguar, right? And this one is doing really well in the market right now, and we have repeated orders for this one. So we are anywhere supplying, I think, about 10,000 units in a month.
10,000 units in a month?
Yes.
And if a new company reaches out to you and talks about getting to do the water heaters, you have the capacity to really scale up. Can you do that?
Presently, like I said, so presently we have the capacity of doing about 1,500 units in a day, which can definitely be scaled up, right? Depending upon the requirement, we can definitely scale that up.